A very good morning to all my dear students of class 7. This is the second class on the topic determiners, which is in unit 5 of your English grammar book, Elementary English Grammar and Composition. Yesterday I have explained you what are determiners, the kinds of determiners and the correct use of determiners. And then after discussing and explaining the rules to you, we have solved the exercises. I have explained to you how to solve and you have solved them. And in the evening, I have posted the answers in PDF. I hope all of you have corrected your answers by seeing the PDF. Okay. Next is articles. Today we will do articles. All of us know articles are a, an and the. Articles are a, an and the. Okay, so the words a, an and the are adjectives. They are usually called articles. So this all of you know, a and an are indefinite articles and the is definite articles. So articles are of two types: definite article, which is the; indefinite article, which is a and an. So why these two are indefinite? Because if I say a pencil, it is not pointing at a particular pencil. So it is not definitely telling us which pencil. If I say a boy, so which boy is that? That is not mentioned here. But definite article refers to a definite thing or person or place. Okay. So definite article points out to a particular thing, and indefinite article points out in general. Done? So now we will quickly recapitulate what we have learnt in class 6. All of us have learnt articles. So we will see the rules, which are very easy. So a and the, we use a and the in the singular countable nouns. All of us know. N is placed before the vowels, and there are some exceptions where before vowels also a is put and a is used before the consonants, and there are some exceptions of rules where in spite of being a consonant we use an, and in spite of being a vowel we use a that we all know. So for countables we use a and an. And we can put adjectives between the articles and nouns, that we can do. So we can put articles, though a and an, they are taken as adjectives. They are actually adjectives, but usually called articles for our use. But they can be, between the article and the noun, adjectives can be placed. Between the article and the noun, adjectives can be placed. A lovely book. A lovely dress. Dress is the noun. A is the article. Lovely is the adjective. An interesting book. Book noun. An article. Interesting is placed. Okay. So we can put adjectives between the articles and the nouns. Plural nouns can be used without an article. So plural nouns can be used without an article. This is a bee. So bees are insects. So plurals can be used without article. Okay. Boys are playing. So no need to put any article before it. The word the is called definite article. When we are referring to definite things and people know which thing you mean. So let's open all the windows. The girls asked for all the new books. So it is definitely particularizing something. It is definitely pointing out to a particular set of things or persons. For that we use the definite article the. Okay. Now there are certain rules which we have to keep in mind, that we do not use a and an before an uncountable noun which is not which is not countable, we cannot put a and an. We cannot say our water. We can say our water bottle, but our water, uncountable, we cannot say our water. Okay, we cannot say our milk. We cannot write our milk because milk is uncountable. Our sugar, no, all these are wrong. So we cannot say our bottle of sugar, our kg of sugar, a liter of milk, but we cannot use a and an before the uncountables. Okay, we do not use a and an when we use the words my, you, his, her, its, our, their, these and those in the singular or plural. So we do not use a and an when we use the words mine, you, his, her, its, our, their, these, those, etc. So please give me your book. We cannot say please give me a book. Your book is there. Okay. So these are the examples of that. We don't use the with the names of people or streets or places, but we use the before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, important buildings and monuments. So we don't use the before the names of people, streets, places, country. We cannot say da Dubai, da India. We cannot say da Adrija. We cannot say da Raman. No, we cannot do that. We da Barashat. No, wrong. Okay, but we use da before the names of rivers. Da Ganga, da Yamuna, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific. Okay, mountain ranges, the Himalayas. So before that we use the. So here the examples: the Golden Gate, the river Ganga, the Atlantic Ocean, the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower. Before that we can use the. So understood up to this? But students, here I find there is in this book the other rules that we follow generally we read before the articles are not here. So don't worry, those who need the rules of using articles, more rules of articles I will post. Don't worry. So in the PDF when I will give you the answers, then I will post. Okay, now let's come to exercise. Fill in the gaps in the story with a and the. So the rules are explained, so you will fill in the blanks. Okay, Mrs. Sen looked in dash cupboard, in dash kitchen, for dash tablecloth to put on dash table. Like that you will feel. I know you can do. Try. I will post the answers, but don't worry, now you try. 3-4 exercises are there. Choose the adjectives from the box with appropriate article to fill in the gaps in the following sentences. Use all the adjectives, but each one only once. One is done for you. So here there are some adjectives. You have to choose the correct adjective and you have to place an article before the adjective and do fill the blanks. Do fill in the blanks. This also you will try to do. One is done for you. And remember, do not use one adjective twice. So the suitable adjective you will choose from the box and before that you will put an adjective. I hope you can do. Next is fill in the blanks with a and the. So use and apply the rules and do it. And the last exercise is underline the errors in the sentences given below and correct them. So there is a mistake. There is supposed to be a mistake in each and every sentence, and possibly the mistakes are related to articles and determiners. So find out the mistakes and do correct it. Okay. I love a mountain and I enjoy a seashore. So what is wrong? I love mountain and enjoy seashore. So like that you will do. Okay. So all these 4 exercises you are just asked to solve now. Sit down with ample of time, read the exercise, read the rules, and then you try to solve them in your copy. Don't worry, within 2 hours I'll send you the answers. So in the evening you will check whether your answers are correct or not. The PDFs of corrected answers I am sending you because now though we don't have the opportunity to meet physically. so it's not possible to check the copies. So it is always better to learn from your mistakes. So if you correct your own answers, you will remind the mistakes that you have done. So it will be an easy procedure for you to enrich yourselves if you correct your own copies. So wherever you will find a mistake, correct them. I will send you the answers. And one more thing, I will send you another page of rules of articles which will be useful for you. And if you can remember, I have sent you one PDF of a list of comparative and superlative degrees last Friday, so that you can prepare them, because in your book those things were not there. So see you next day. Next I will try to do something from literature, then again I will come back to grammar. So see you tomorrow. Okay, solve them. Okay, bye.